Hi, this is how to make a 50-cent burrito. First, you take a tortilla and then you pour a small amount of beans on it, and then you just pour some hot sauce on it, and it doesn't really matter. And camera. Then you go like this, fold it over once. I personally do it this way. I don't know how you're supposed to do it. You fold the edges. Fold the edges like that, and then you fold over the this part, and voila! It's a burrito. It's very cold because the beans were in the refrigerator. I'm too lazy to heat it up. But theoretically, if you cared that much for your 50-cent burrito that you're too lazy to heat up, you could, in fact, put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, maybe a minute or more, depending on how big it is, how many beans used, and whether you want to burn your mouth. I use Taco Bell fire sauce from like the store, not from the packets. Although I will say that the packets do taste a lot better for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe they use like cheaper materials or something, so the hot and fire sauces in the packets just taste different. And then the ones in the bottle are just they're a little bit more bland, I guess. I don't know. It lacks the authenticity of that generic Taco Bell sauce taste that you get. I use so much hot sauce. Oh my god. But not bad. I mean, it's just beans, tortilla, and hot sauce. And it's cold. But it's like 100 degrees out, so I don't really want to eat something hot right now. I see. It's much cheaper than Asmongold's $2 steak, and a lot faster too. It took me like less than a minute to make. The longest part was just washing my hands a few times, which I know is unconventional for Asmongold. I mean, he would probably. I'm pretty sure he has hydrophobia. Like, he's legitimately afraid of water. Well, it's nothing. It's not a big deal. I have my own problems, but I don't know. I'd probably die if I couldn't be around water. I mean, look. Basically all I drink now. I used to drink like strictly iced tea, nothing else, for most of my life. I don't know how I survived, but now I make up the sugar in other places, like eating unhealthy stuff that I didn't used to eat. Probably because I was getting so much sugar in the iced tea that I didn't need it from other places. Like, my body couldn't handle any more sugar than that. So anything else tasted terrible to me. Also, I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to like chocolate and stuff, but I still eat it anyway. I don't give a shit. That's it. I don't know what else to say. Just a basic bean burrito.